In this video, I'm going to recreate a game that I played as a child that scared the hell out of me. And then I'm going to use it to scare everyone around me so I can get a taste of revenge. So you might remember the Scary Maze game, which was a game where you'd use your mouse to concentrate on following through a maze, and you'd get really into it, and then suddenly a zombie would appear and it would scream and you'd crap yourself. And then I realised recently my siblings didn't really get a chance to play that game, so I want to show it to them nowadays. And then because I want to get my sister to play it, who's closer to my age, she might have seen it before, I'm going to change it up so it's a little bit different, and then she won't recognise it, and then I can get her with the jump scare. Right, let's see what we can do. So there's this famous quote by Bill Gates which says he always chooses a lazy person to do his hardest jobs because they always find the easiest way of doing it. Well, I found a pretty easy way of doing it, and for me, that was going onto GitHub and stealing someone else's code. Right, so I just found this on GitHub, which is a par game remake of the Scary Maze game, which is exactly what I want it to do, and it saves me a whole lot of coding. It does look a little bit crap, so I'm definitely going to change it up and I'm going to make it a lot better, but this as a template is amazing, so we're starting off well. Alright, so let's open this one up and see how it is. F5, new game. Try to find the pumpkin without leaving the same path. Oh, okay. This is interesting. Oh, this is the sort of thing I was aiming for, but it's just kind of crap. No offense to the guy who made this. I really appreciate you putting it on GitHub. I knew it was coming, it still kind of scared me. Okay, so we got a great place to start from. From here, I want to level it up so much. Okay, so I was looking through the files and everything and how this game actually works, and I'm seeing it's all made by the images. So the way the guy did this is that he had like an image for each level. Like if you look here, this are the different images for each, like the menus and the different levels. And then he just maps it to the mouse. If it's not touching orange, then it restarts the game. Or if it touches the pumpkin, that's when it goes on to the next level. So I'm thinking, I'm going to make this full screen so it's more like engaging. And I'm going to make it obviously higher quality. And then I'm going to make it hopefully a little bit more polished if I can. So we'll load up Photoshop and we want to make it so it's actually HD. So this is level 1. Let's try recreating this one in Photoshop. Right, so it's still really simple, but I think it looks a lot more clearer and it takes away from the Halloween theme a bit, so it's kind of covering it up a bit more. So I then went on to recreate level 2 and then level 3. Still gonna have this one say next level, so there's another level after this. Yeah, so the hope is it comes up here, goes around here, so slow, and here you're really trying to... And boom! Changing it so it doesn't say Scary Maze at the top. That just ruins the whole point. Alright, that's good enough for me. Okay, now this is the important one. The actual scary part. So it's finding a zombie or something like that that's actually going to make an impact. This one here would terrify me. I don't know why, it just looks really weird. I'm going to do this one. It's literally just undone. That's all it is. So essentially we've got to change it so it's no longer detecting the orange in the old images and is instead detecting that we're on the blue in these images. This is what they have down as their orange. I'll comment out that for a second and I'll make my own version and call it blue. And then we just have to get our RGB values. I think that should be all of the images. Oh crap. Oh, so I somehow got to this part of it and it looks like the blue part's working. Obviously the screens aren't the right sizes. This one looks pretty good. Yeah. Well, somehow I did it then. Yeah, it's just was set off at a random time. Sweet. And then it gets onto this bit. So I had to find out the coordinates of where the mouse would be on the starting position for each level. So it's always within the maze. Yeah, that's literally, I'm very happy with how that is. So then I tried coding it so it would check if the mouse was on any red colour, and if it was, it would go on to the next level. Wait, what's the logic in it again? But for some reason, I faced loads of problems, and all it would do was go back to the start of the game. What? Oh, I don't know. But somehow, after a whole bunch of coding, I eventually got there. I finished it! And now, I want to go try it out on some of my siblings. Joseph.
Oh, leave me alone!
No, this one's actually pretty good. This is just, I want to review for this crappy game I made today.
You should just abuse me in every single one of your videos. It's not even funny anymore.
Alright, I've been spending the whole day doing this, so you gotta give it a fair shot. Basically, it's a maze game.
Ooh,
but it's like really hard. So like, yeah, you just literally navigate through it.
So I can't even do it. I can't even...
You have to do it slowly, obviously.
Why have you made this so hard?
You're just doing it too fast.
Oh, actually, wait, oh my god.
There's some calmer music if you want to listen to it. Put these on. That'll get you into the gaming mood. Can you hear the music?
Yeah, it's calming.
There's 10 rounds, so.
10?
Yeah.
You're joking me. Oh my god, I hate you. Oh, you're so annoying. Oh my god. Oh, I literally knew something like that was going to happen as well, and I still got scared.